Good afternoon, children. How are you? Are you fine? Okay, I welcome you all to join our online class. Let's start our class. Do you remember what we learned in our last class? In our last class, we started a lesson. Do you remember the lesson name? Do you remember? What's our lesson name? Tell me, what's our lesson name? Yes, very good. Number from 1 to 9. Number from 1 to 9. Number from 1 to 9. That's our lesson name. Do you remember what we learned in our last class? In our last class, we learned how to count. Now, you can count using your fingers and using objects. Can you? Yes, you can count now using objects and using your fingers. Let's check. Do you know how to count? Okay, I show some objects and we can count using objects. Okay, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pens in my hand? How many pens in my hand? Say 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pens in my hand. Very good. You count it well. Good. Okay. Next, I show another object. Can you count? I have pencils. I bring pencils. Can you count pencils? How many pencils in my hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pencils in my hand? 7. How many pencils in my hand? 7. Very good. Now you learn how to count using objects. Now you can count using objects and using fingers. In our first class, we learned a song of number. Do you remember the number song? The number names, we learned a song of number and number names. Do you remember? Are you ready to sing with me? Okay, let's we sing together. Okay, we can sing it together. Okay, all of you stand up and sing with me. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, good. O and E1, O and E1, O and E1, 1, 1, 1, 1. TWO, 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 2, 2, 2, 2. THREE, 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 3, 3, 3, 3. FOUR, 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 4, 4, 4, 4. FIVE, 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 5, 5, 5, 5. SIX6, 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 6, 6, 6, 6. SEVEN, 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 7, 7, 7, 7. EIGHT, 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 8, 8, 8, 8. NINE, 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 9, 9, 9, 9. TE and 10, TE and 10, TE and 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Very good. Okay, all sit down. Now you know the numbers and the number names, the spelling of that number. Do you? Yes, very good. Let me check. Okay, we can check. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready to say the answer? Okay, I bring some cards here, number cards. I show the number cards and you say the number name of that card. Okay. Can you see this number card? Can you? Which number is this? 3. Which number is this? 3. Very good. Can you say the number name, the spelling of that number? Say the spelling of number 3. T H R E E. Is it correct? Is it correct? Number name. Can you see the? Can you see? Yes. T H R E E 3. T H R E E 3. Very good. Which number is this? Tell me, which number is this? Yes, it is 8. Can you tell the number name of 8? Can you say the spelling? Yes, tell me the spelling. E I G H T. Is it correct? Yes. E I G H T. 8. Well done. Good. Okay. I show another number. Which number is this? Which number is this? 4. Can you say the spelling of this number? F O U R. Is it correct? Yes, very good. F O U R 4. F O U R 4. Well done. Okay, I show you another card. Which number is this? 7. Which number is this? 7. What's the spelling of 7? What's the spelling of 7? Tell me. S E V E N. S E V E N. 7. Can you get it? Got it? Okay, good. Next, I show another card. Which number is this? 6. Which number? 6. What is the spelling of 6? Do you remember? Say S I X. S I X 6. Is it? Is it correct? Yes. S I X 6. Good. Show you another. Which number is this? 1. You all know the spelling of 1. Okay. Is it? Yes, you all know the spelling of 1. Tell me the number. Tell me the spelling. O N E 1. O N E 1. Very good. Okay. Which number is this? 2. You all know the spelling of 2, is it? Yes. Say the spelling of 2. T W O. Very good. T W O 2. Show you another one. Which number is this? Tell me. 5. This is 5. Can you say the spelling of 5? F I V E 5. F I V E 5. Very good. Which number is this? Which number is this? 9. Okay, tell me the spelling of 9. N-I-N-E. N-I-N-E. 9. Okay, very good. Very good, students. Okay, sit down. Well done. Okay, now you know how to count using objects, how to count using your fingers, and you know the number names and the numbers. Let's start some exercise. Now we can discuss some exercises. Okay, are you ready? Okay, listen here. Look at the board. I draw some objects here. You can tick which one is more. Tick the more one. Can you see this? Okay. You can see here some objects. Can you see? Yes. Now you can count the objects and tick the more one. We have A and B group. We can tick the one which has more objects. Can you count this circle which is small? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. How many objects are here? 6. How many circles in the B box? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 6 circles and here are 4 circles. Which has small? Which one is small? Yes, the A group. The A group is more. So we can tick here. We can tick the A group. Do you understand? Okay, good. Let me count this. Okay, we can count this triangle. How many triangles in the A group? And we can count the B group also. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 5 triangle. How many triangle here? Can you count? 1, 2. 1, 2. Here 5 and here is 2. Which is small? 5 or 2? Which is small? 5. So we can tick this. Okay? We can tick the 5. Next one, we can count 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. In the B group, there is only one tree. There is only one tree. Which is small? 1 or 3? Yes, very good. 3. So we can tick the 3. Do you understand? You understand? Okay, good. Okay, now we can do another exercise. Here we can count the dots and match with the number. Okay, we can count the dot and match with its suitable number. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many dots are here? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is 8 dots. So we can match with its 8. Match with 8. What is 8? Yes. Here is 8. Okay. Next one. How many dots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots are here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can match these dots with 5. Number 5. Okay, you got it? Okay. We can do the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dots? 6. So we can match with 6. Number 6. Got it? Okay, good. We can do another type of exercise. Okay. Do you like to do exercise? Okay, good. Okay. We can do another type of exercise. We can count the dots and match with the object. Count the dots and match with the objects. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dots are here? 6. How many dots are here? 6. Let us count the object. 1, 2, 3. Is it correct? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it correct? No. We need 6. We need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many candies are here? 6. So, here the dots are 6 and candies are 6. So, we can match it together. Okay, we can match it. Okay, you got it? Okay, next we can count this. 1, 2, 3. How many dots are here? 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 dots. How many dots? 3 dots. We need 3 objects also. 1, 2, 3. How many balls are here? 3. So we can match this with balls. We can match this with balls. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots are here? 5. How many dots? 5. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many triangle? 5. We can match this dot with this triangle. 5, 5. Here are 6 dots and here are 6 candies. So we match it. Okay. Next, here are 3 dots and 3 balls. So we match it. Then here 5 dots and 5 triangle. So we match it. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. We can do another exercise. Okay. Here you can see some objects. You count the objects and write its number. Okay. You count the objects and write its number. How many candies are here? Tell me, how many candies are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many candies? 4. 4 candies. 4 candies. Okay. How many trees are here? 1, 2, 3. How many trees are here? 1, 2, 3. Here 3 trees. How many trees are here? 3. How many candles are here? How many candles? 1, 2. 1, 2. How many candles? 2. How many circles are here? How many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many circles? 5. Here 5 circles. Okay. Now you know how to count the objects. Can you say the spelling of this number? Here are 4 candies and you write here 4. Can you say the spelling? Yes. F-O-U-R. F-O-U-R. 4. Very good. How many trees are here? 3. Can you say the spelling? 3. Say spelling. T-H-R-E-E. T-H-R-E-E. 3. How many candles are here? How many candles? 2. Say the spelling of 2. T-W-O. How many circles are here? 5. How many circles are here? 5. Can you say the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E. 5. Very good. Now you know how to count, how to write the spelling, and you know the number names, the spelling of each number. You know how to count using object and how to write the number and how to write the number names. Very good. You all are done well. Okay. Take your textbook. Take page number 56 and 57. In page number 56 and 57, there are 2 exercises for you. You can do it from your home and send me in my WhatsApp number. Okay? Thank you.